Sumpter Street was a 4 or 5-story building when I was first born. And I remember a lot about it, especially as people have said before, the linoleum on the floor, 3 or 4 stories walk up, and the Iceman, all Italian, would pull up his ice truck, and he'd look up at the window, and there'd be a sign in the window, and the sign was squared, and in each of the corners was a number, a 1, a half, or a quarter. I don't know what the third, maybe it was 2, and you would get a piece, and if whatever the number was that was up, the Iceman would chop off with his ice pick, chop off the ice, wrap it up in burlap, throw it on his shoulder, and he had a leather hat with a protection that would float over his shoulders, and he would carry the ice up the stairs and put it in the refrigerator, in the ice box, in the top section of the ice box, making sure that the water drain at the bottom was all emptied out, and he would put it up there, and he would chop it to fit it in. That was the ice box.